The next paragraph, we came to the district library. It was unharmed like the surrounding offices. So they went to the district library and it was unharmed like the surrounding office. Okay, so there was a medical camp The director spotted a doctor. So the director went and met the doctor and enquired him about his family. And he went to the doctor and enquired him about his family, his daughter and wife. Okay, the doctor said, no news has reached me. So the doctor said that no news has reached me. I have not heard anything. So I have not heard anything. Then we continued on our way. So the speaker said that they were continued on their way. The director hurried to a spot where there was a mound of household objects. So the director hurried to a spot where there was their home. Okay, a mound of household. He saw the household objects and showed me his aristocrat suitcase. And there he show to speaker that aristocrat suitcase. Aristocrat means a rich suitcase. Okay, a steel trunk, a cabinet, records of his office and slides. These are things were there in the water. Okay, he took his slides. We continued, and after seeing the glimpse of the sea front, they continue on their way. Okay, and after seeing the glimpse means shining of the sea front, the director came to the point where his house had once stood. So the director now came to the point where his house had once stood. He said, this was my house. So he sadly said that this was my house. Only the foundation was concrete. So now there was only the foundation was left. The rest was wood. My wife used to teach English in a school here. So his wife used to teach English in a school here. But she wanted to live in that place. Okay, so I applied many times, but the transfer never came. He applied many times to the officers, but the transfer never came him. So there was so much she could never achieve. I was never able to give her the opportunity. So there was so much she could have achieved. Okay, but he was never able to give her the opportunities. So he was worried about these things. Then when I reached out to touch his arm, he shook my hand brusquely away. So when the speaker reached out to touch his arms, he shook his hands brusquely means rudely away. He did not want sympathy from others. He did not want sympathy. He showed his daughter Venceta. He showed his daughter Venceta paint box. Okay, and but did not pick it up. He showed to the speaker his daughter Venceta's paint box, but he did not pick it up. Because when I asked him why he did not pick it up, he said, what good will it do? What will it give back? So why I am pick it up? What will it do? What will it give back? There was no daughter and my wife. Then why I am pick it up these things? So as a husband, a father, a human being, it was impossible for me not to wonder what would I have done. So I am a father, I am a husband, and I am one of a human being. It was impossible for me not to wonder what would I have done. What would I have done? What would I have felt? What would I have been? I have chosen to keep of the past. So what would I have chosen to keep of the past? The truth is that nobody can know. It is an expression of the innermost sovereignty. Innermost sovereignty. Sovereignty means complete freedom and power to act. Complete freedom and power to act. Okay, so innermost sovereignty of the self, because nothing now remains, there was nothing remains to cloud its vision. In the manner of his choosing, there was not a practical of hesitation. So there was no doubt or the finest glimmer of doubt. Okay, so perhaps he must have found some comfort in the knowledge of an impersonal effort. So he must have found some comfort in the knowledge of an impersonal effort. So sometimes words seem futile. Futile means useless, and at these moments it seems nothing is of value other than to act and intervene in the course of events. Even thinking, reflecting and writing about it seem trivial and wasteful. So here trivial means kshullaka, okay, in Kannada, and wasteful. And after the day had passed, I understood that in the manner of choosing, the director had mounted the most singular, the most powerful defense of it, the most powerful defense of it that I would ever witness. So I was the witness that the director had mounted the most singular, the most powerful defense of it. Okay, so he was worried about these things. He was misery. Okay, because his wife and daughter were disappeared in the earthquake. Okay, so understood. Okay, bye.